That's a beach out there.
Good brisket.
Alright guys, I think there's a ton of boat racing out here, as you can see. And here is Nadine, first on the boat racing, like Baltica Regatta, under the ocean. And they got the helicopter chased it. Let's go back and forth. I can't teach Jennifer.
Already the sun is out because it's windy.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, you're not feeling it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a little overcast. So.
The wind is helping.
Yeah. Okay. Are you enjoying Orlando?
Of course.
All right. What is your impression about Orlando or Florida?
Um,
What's your first impression when you came here
I just
from
love,
Guyana?
love the fact that it's clean, it's warm, just as I'm accustomed to. I didn't come from hot into cold.
Okay, so that's a good sign.
It is.
Nice. Well, we welcome you to Orlando, and I hope you have fun. And we're gonna try our best to show you a lot.
Auntie Jennifer for hosting me.
Yes, Auntie Jennifer, thanks.
Appreciated it.
All right, guys. So don't forget, thumbs up. Nadine is here, visiting from Guyana. First time down here in Orlando. So let's give her a big thumbs up for that. A like and a share it. All right.
That too. I've been here in Florida and
Check it out, bro. The seashore. Check the size of that boat. 10-story. Getting that 10-story marriage is not even like that. Claymont, Bobby, guys. We got a lot of rich people lives in Claymont. You see that? We have all the Ferraris, the Aston Martins. We have all the. Trust me, we have a lot of cars. A lot of people live along the lakes there. As you can see, we have all $100,000 cars, $200,000 cars. Trust me.